Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2025 Forest River Sandstone, and it's in here to do, I guess we're upgrading a bathroom fan, and then there's a problem with the main fan in the living room that's up there that's open up on the roof. And then the techs were saying that there was some issues with the side outs where it was leaking. I'm not sure which side it was, if it was this side or the opposite side, but my tech said that he went ahead and cleaned it and resealed the areas. Some things to look at on here though, all of this sealant is all bad and dirty. These screws right here are loose and backing out. And so all this putty tape that's bled out, which is more so right up there, all that stuff needs to be cleaned and resealed. There's also the insert molding up top is missing from the screw cover. And same thing here, you know, all these screws, you can see the gap that's there. Everything needs to be tightened up and gone back and resealed on the outside just to add some like water deflection to it. So if you own a Forest River or Sandstorm and you're looking for some maintenance or some help with stuff, come in and see us. This is the first time I've looked at this. It's also, here's a factory mistake where there's no screw at the end of that molding and it was cut too short. So same thing, putty tape bleeding out. You're gonna get all that cleaned up and removed off. I do see the corners up here where Gino's gone and done some siliconing on them, but all these wipers need to be cleaned and treated, and all these sides need to be resealed. This definitely needs to be resealed. There's no sealant on that whatsoever, so if water gets past it, you're gonna cause water damage to it. Something else I would recommend to do too is get in here and lube your wet bolts. They all look pretty dry. I don't see any fresh grease coming out of those, so make sure you do that as well. You got pieces that are popping loose on the slide out. Same thing with the umbilical cord underneath. And
hey guys, the water guys here, if you have any issues on that side, bring them over.
I would go ahead and, you know, like again, I said I would reseal. You can see where there was some sealant on here at one time, but it looks like it's just worn off. Maybe not. But I would go back through and I would double check all my seams and sealants on it. Again, this thing was made in 10/30 of 2024, so it's a 2025. And sorry for all the noise in the background.